Hi, I'm Sam, the Scrum Master of the Windows Packaging Squad. For some weeks, we are using Kanban in a team, and I would like to share with you what it is and how we started it. We are not a product team. We are delivering services and support to other teams. What is key for us is a respect and improvement of our SLAs, be predictable, and reach a better flow to make our customers happy. This is why we have chosen Kanban, because Kanban is all about continuous improvement of existing process. So, how did we start? In Kanban, you start with what you do now and agree to pursue evolutionary change, respecting current roles, responsibilities, and job titles. Since our goal is to improve, we listed our challenges to decide on which improvements to focus. Then we put on post-its all the things we had to work on in the coming weeks to ensure we had an exhaustive understanding of the work handled by the team. And next to the planned work, we discovered a lot of unplanned work. We then visualized on the wall our existing work process. Where does the work start? When is the value delivered to a client? And what are the steps in between? Does it cover all the work we have put on post-its? If not, what is missing in our process? This visualization generated very interesting discussions within the team and a deeper understanding of our process. Great! We had now a board and could observe how the work was flowing, or not, from left to right. Our Kanban board is a radiator of information. You cannot improve what you don't see. We soon discovered that work was piling up at some steps of the process. Instead of deblocking those steps, we had a tendency to keep starting new work. So a lot of things were started, but we were not delivering enough. Stop starting, start finishing. This is key. And Kanban is providing a great tool to help us on this, the WIP limit. The work in progress limit indicates the maximum number of work items we can take as a team on each step. If the WIP limit is reached on one step, the team cannot pull new work in that step. It forces the team members to check how they can help their colleagues to make a work item move on the right and make it flow. We want to improve, but how do we know we improve? Fortunately, we have metrics. And to measure our improvements, we use a very simple but powerful metric, the lead time. The lead time is the time elapsed between the moment the request was made by the client and the moment the request was delivered to the client. We closely monitor this metric, strive to improve it, and try to analyze and act when there are big variations. Our most important ceremony is the retrospective. Not surprising, as our main goal is to improve our process. During the retrospective, we look at our metrics, we reflect on the flow, on the bottlenecks, on the voice of the customer, and look at what we can improve. Our improvement actions are put on the board and taken as work. This is it. As you see, Kanban is a light framework to implement. The most important part of it is the mindset, the willingness to improve, the collaboration between team members, and the discipline. So, good luck and have fun!